Welcome to durgasoft. Welcome to our Python course, man. Yeah. So there are multiple doubts I'm seeing from the students in this demo session. So first, let me cover all your doubts so that happily we can start our syllabus. Okay. Just take a bit very special care. Yes, sir, these doubts, maybe most of your doubts by default will be clarified. Don't worry about that. So the first one. Do we need Java to understand Python? Okay, excellent doubt. It is a common doubt for most of the people. Do we need Java to understand Python? Remember that Python is very basic programming language. Regarding very easy programming language. Python itself is very easy programming language. To learn Python, no other language knowledge is required. No programming knowledge is required. Yeah, the first programming language, happily you can learn Python. Regarding, we are not required to have any prior programming knowledge to learn Python, because Python itself is the beginning. So best programming language to start your programming. Remember that, okay? It's very easy. So anyway, in our sessions you can able to feel that. Don't worry about that. Maybe in the demo session only, definitely you people are going to feel. Next, is it okay if I have no programming? Yes, both doubts already clarified. Yes. I'm new to programming. Is it fine? Yes. You are not required to have any previous knowledge related to learn Python. Next, our openings are pretty good for freshers in Python. Yes, ma'am. Yes. For the freshers, Python, not only for freshers, sir. In the machine learning, data science area, everywhere Python these days is one of the preferable language in any area, sir. If you go for application areas of the Python, I will discuss in this demo session. There you can able to feel, yes, openings are good. Next, application areas are too good. Don't worry about that. Next, this is a very important doubt for majority of the people. Sir, your Python lecture available in the YouTube. So what we will going to learn here? Yes, in the YouTube, just for our promotion purpose, few videos we uploaded, not all videos. Remember that. So obviously you are going to miss something from the YouTube. You are going to learn some extra things from this class. Okay, next. So if I learn Python and Java simultaneously, no problem at all. You can able to learn, because the reason is, sir, you are learning easy programming language. Don't worry about that. Java already you aware. Then Python you can able to understand more easily than your CoreJava, I'm sure. Next, who is supporting Python? Means from the Google. Python is this is open source community, sir. Multiple people are providing support for Python, not only Google. Okay, multiple people are providing support. It is just organization. It is the open source community, sir. Python community. Next, why Python is called scripting language, sir? Python, don't feel it is the scripting language. It is everything. We can use the word, it is the object-oriented programming language. It is the functional programming language. It is the modular programming language. Python is everything. Don't worry about that. Don't feel it is only scripting language. Yes, why it is considered as scripting language? Just we are not required to have any class. We are not required to have any object. Just a few lines of the code I can write to meet my programming requirement. Regarding that, that's why a small script I will write. A small script I will write so that I can able to execute that script. Regarding small script, few lines need not be a big program. That's why, especially what we call in the server, in the WebLogic, WebSphere, server admin related things. Okay, I want to configure cron jobs. Some concept is there. Don't worry about that. So there, Python scripts we are going to use. Python script. Why the word script here? Need not be a big program. Need not be a big program. Just a matter of write a few lines of the code also, which is going to fulfill our requirement, right? Okay, that's all. Next, sir, why classes you are not providing in Udemy and Udacity? Sir, do you know most of my Java classes already there in the Udemy? Maybe you may expect a Python in the future, sir. Is Python keep on updated frequently just like Java? Yes, yes. Okay, if you go for Python, then automatically what is the current version? Every day to day, sir, Python is going to be updated, sir. I'm sure. Just if you observe python.org, current version of Python, python.org. Sir, we are starting with the current version. Do you know Python 3.6.5? In the 3 Python 3 current version is Python 3.6.5. Python 2.7.14 is the Python 2 second version. Okay, Python 2 version is. Sir, after by completing this course, minimum this one 3.6.7 or 3.7 something like updations by default will be there. Keep on updating. That's why the life of Python by default will come in the picture. Getting who is asking the doubts? Can you please observe whether got clarifying or not? I'm new for IT. Am I able to get in? Yes, why not? It is a very easy programming language. Will you provide real-time scenarios for practice? Yes, small applications and mini projects we are going to discuss. Yeah, the part of this course. What is the use of Python? Yes, in this demo session you people are going to get. Next, sir, will the Python course complete in 1 month duration? No, sir. Minimum 2 months you require to spend with me to complete this course. That's all. Any other doubts? 1 minute. Still some people are having. Yes, still some people are having the doubts. Just a matter of few minutes, because these doubts may be for you people also. Good morning, sir. Are you going to cover packages like Panda, NumPy, and etc., which might be helpful related to data science? Yes, sir. As of now, no, I can't give the confirmation. Definitely, I'm going to cover, but maybe I will try, because my official syllabus, Python official syllabus, what I'm going to discuss. This is the syllabus what I'm going to cover, sir. Just have a look once. First, language fundamentals. Next, operators concept, input and output statements, flow control, strings concept. Next, list data structure, tuple, set, dictionary, functions, modules, packages, exception handling, file handling. Next, and after that, oops concept, regular expressions, multi-threading, Python database connectivity. These are the 18 topics what we are going to discuss, including decorator functions, generators, like almost around like. But NumPy and do you know pandas may not cover. As of now, I can't give any confirmation related to that. But this is the syllabus what we are going to promise. Yeah, the part of this course. Almost around 20 topics you people can able to expect. Okay. I hope, Akhilesh, your doubt got clarified. Yes. So, is there any possibility to get online jobs with Python? There is a possibility, ma'am. You require to take. There are several projects, freelancer projects you people are going to get. If you are very perfect with the subject, if you are in a position to do that. Yes. Next, why audio muted me, sir? I told already, sir, because huge crowd is there in this session, so that's why everyone got muted. If you are having the doubts, chat window is the best, or otherwise I will unmute if you are going to request. Update frequently. Yes. Okay. Is Python platform independent? Just like, yeah, that Python platform independent, sir. On any platform it's going to work. Don't worry about that. We will discuss in detail. Python developer life is good for future or not compared to others, sir. Sushil Kumar, definitely the Python programmer's life is simple, and guarantee is there, because Python penetrating in multiple areas. Data science area, the best suitable programming language is the Python. Of course, in addition to R, Python is the best suitable programming language. There, if you are using Java, I want to use in the data science, sorry, simple answer, no such type of terminology. Are you getting right? Next, and after that, web scraping, like there are several areas Python has specific what we call application areas, robotics, everywhere, sir. Python, because Python scripting language, modular, object oriented, functional, everywhere you can use Python. In the web area also, Python is penetrating very rapidly. Extra data structures through Python, this may not cover as a part of this course, but Python inbuilt data structures we are going to discuss, right? Okay. Sir, this is the very interesting. For most of the people are having this doubt. Can you please observe a bit very carefully? Can you please observe this doubt very carefully, especially the people from US, because it's a very common to claim experience. Can I keep gap as experience is around 8 years if I attend your classes? Okay, sir, very simple. After completing core Python and advanced Python, sir, what we are going to cover? Core Python and advanced Python as a part of, sir, we are covering, right? After that, highly recommended, better to learn at least one web framework, Django. These days is very popular. Next and after that, data science. Okay, another 1 month will be there. Okay, if you are going to complete these things, then you can claim any years of experience, no problem at all. Okay, Chaudhary, I hope you can able to understand my words. Sir, core Python and advanced Python to learn Python. Next application kind of thing, web applications if you want to develop Django. Next data science area, analytics area if you want to penetrate, if you want to start looking for that, then data science is the best choice. Okay, these are things compulsory you can learn. After that, you can claim any number of years of experience, no problem at all. Okay, like next time on Java and Python, which is preferred. Python is the simple programming language. Yes, it is also very common doubt. Sir, I don't know Java, I don't know Python. Which language is the preferable? The beginning programming language, Python is too good. Remember that the beginning programming language, Python is too good when compared with Java. Java is very difficult programming language. Remember that. Because I'm faculty for Java also, right? Python, do you know a number of benefits you people are going to get, flexibilities you people are going to get while writing the coding, man. Yes, we will discuss, don't worry. Yes, will I able to do the projects after completing this course? Yes, just this is another doubt, Madhavi, I hope. Just I told right, better after completing this course, at least if you want to develop web applications, then at least Django you require to learn. Okay, that's all. Next Python or C, which is having huge scope. C already gone, sir. The people are not going to use the word Gautam Vamshi. C, sir, C already gone. The people are not preferring. C is replaced already with the Python in majority of universities, in majority everywhere, sir. Okay, C days gone. C days already gone. Next, what is data science? We will discuss somewhere. No. Yes. Can I learn core and advanced Python parallelly? Sorry, sir, you can't learn. You can't learn. First, you have to learn core and then advanced Python. Yes, Gausia ma'am, testing is the preferable if you are going to claim 3 years of experience, because Selenium with Python these days is a very hot cake. Sir, this is the doubt. Can you please observe? Can you suggest if I want to go for testing side after Python? Okay, like yes. Deep learning, yes ma'am. Deep learning with Python course as well. Yes. So we are not offering this. Maybe in the future you may expect. Django is the part of Python. Yes, Django is the web framework to develop web applications by using Python. Remember that. Yes, Kando. Maybe at that time you may expect. Okay, that's all, sir. Can I expect all the doubts by default got clarified? Still anything is there? So that I will start the cinema. Sir, as a developer with 5 years of experience, which programming language preferable? Yes, Java, yes, Python or Scala. Highly recommended, better to go for Python, sir. Python having multiple application areas. Scala is the very specific areas where the people are going to use. Even the graph, the growth rate of Python and Scala, there's a big difference is there. Yes, Manas. Getting right? Yeah, as of now, no word from my side related to Django. Either myself or other faculty is going to cover. Don't worry about that. Yes, core and advanced Python as a part of this course is going to be covered. Data structures are just a Python's inbuilt data structures we are going to discuss as a part of this course. But if you want advanced data structures, you have to refer. Kapil. Yes, usually we are using C Python interpreter only, Sandeep. Okay, that's all, friends. So almost all your doubts by default got clarified. Still, if you are having any doubts, don't worry at all. Sir, I will be here. Happily, you can able to ask any point of time. So just observe a bit carefully. Sir, as a part of this course, we are going to discuss about core Python and advanced Python, right? Okay, almost around 20 topics we are going to discuss, sir. So almost you can expect minimum 2 months duration of this course. Every day morning 7 to 8 India time it will be there. Maybe another plus 15 minutes extra. Don't worry about that. Sir, this is 7 to 8 Indian time. It is official time. Maybe around 7 or 7:15 the session is going to start. Up to 8:30 max the class by default will be there. Better to that. Next the course is Monday to Friday only. Okay, Monday to Friday only, but on weekends occasionally I'm going to take the session. If weekends are there, then I will intimate at the beginning only, so that based on that you can able to plan. Okay, next and after that, sir, is there any best book to refer to learn Python? No, don't refer anything, sir. It's not required. Happily, as a part of this course, we are going to provide huge material for you, almost around 500 to 600 pages material. You people are going to get, just go through that. It's a time waste if you are going to refer any other materials. Okay, next, that's all. Next and after that, here at the beginning, I'm not going to use any special IDE kind of thing. But sir, once the class is going on, then automatically we are going to use, sir, IDE is right. PyCharm is the best IDE for Python. Even you are allowed to use Eclipse also. Okay, Murlay, I hope regarding PyCharm is the best IDE for Python. Even Eclipse also these days the people are using. Okay, that's also this is. Next, what are various programming? I mean, what are various program topics what I'm going to cover? Just have a look once. Just a matter of 1 minute. Again, let me repeat. First I will discuss language fundamentals concept. Almost around 10 sessions I will talk about only these topics are saying what is Python, what are features of Python, next which data types are there, which reserved words are there, like just the basics of language we are going to discuss. Next and after that, we are going to cover about operators concept, operators, right? Next, after that, if you want to read the input from the keyboard, in how many ways you can able to read? If you want to provide output print statement, what are various possibilities are there? Okay, next, flow control, just if else, for loop, break, continue, these kind of things we are going to discuss here. Next, the strings concept, the most powerful concept we are going to discuss. Next, list data structure, tuple data structure. If you want to represent a group of objects, a group of values, then automatically list tuple set we are going for. Next, dictionary, key values. If you want to represent a group of objects as the key values, then we should go for dictionary. Sir, if you want to reusability, we will write a function. I can call that function any number of times. That concept is nothing but functions concept, right? Code reusability purpose. Next, modules. I will write required things inside a module. Module is nothing but one Python file. Wherever it is required, happily we are allowed to use. Next, a group of modules I will keep into a package. What is the packages? How you can cover and so on? We will discuss. Sir, if something goes wrong, my program should not be terminated. I want a normal termination. Even something goes wrong, then we should go for exception handling. Yes, here we are going to discuss exception handling concept, assertions concept. Next and after that, logging concept, all those things we are going to cover. Next, the file handling. I want to write some data to the file. I want to read some data to the file, whether it is a text file or image file or Excel file. How you can able to do that? That part we are going to discuss as a part of file handling. Next, OOPS concept, beautiful concepts are when compared with other programming languages, Python OOPS concept more dangerous. We require to discuss in detail. Around 10 sessions, 10 to 15 sessions you can expect from these concepts. It's a great learning opportunity you people are going to get if you are coming from any other programming languages. Next, regular expressions for pattern matching applications purpose we can use. Multi-threading concept to improve performance of the application. Next up from Python, how to connect with the databases. Sir, with the Oracle database, MySQL database, how I can able to read the data, how I can able to write the data. This part we are going to discuss as a part of this course. So total 18 to 20 topics we are going to discuss. Okay, right? Maybe I may add some more topics also based on just what we call updations like that. Okay, that's all, sir. This is the thing what I'm going to provide. Next and after that, sir, what about material? Sir, for every topic we shared already material. We are going to share the material, sir. Just the sample materials. I hope in my system it's already there. Language fundamentals concept. Just have a look once. This is the material. Each and every word which is coming from my mouth by default will be there in the material, sir. That much I want it. Each and every point, each and everything by default will be there as a part of our material. Just observe. This is the first unit, sir. Language fundamentals. 31 topics are there. We have 31 pages are there, sir. Have you shown 31 just for the first language fundamentals concept? This is the material what we are going to share. Like each and every topic. Like we are going to have the material. Don't worry about that. Suppose Python operators, second topic operators concept, 15 pages operators concept is there. Like every topic after completing the session, sir, we are going to provide modules, packages, function, file handling, exception handling, like exception handling. Yeah, excellent concepts are almost 28 pages material by default will be there. Like so, for every topic, you people are going to get material. Next, one more biggest advantage you people can expect from my classes, especially what that is. This is the third batch what I'm discussing online. I told right, third batch. So for the previous batches, first batch almost around 70 classes we completed, sir. For the first batch, almost around 70 classes we completed. Just another just a few more classes are pending. So just what we are going to do is from day one only, all these 70 classes videos by default we are going to share with you people. Why my intention is, if you are having the time, just go through these videos, so that go through these video session, so that you if you are coming after listening, if you are coming to my class, just you are going to come for the revision purpose only, so that the subject is going to be penetrated in your mind, inserted in your mind like anything. Okay, that's why, sir, all 70 sessions, 70 session video classes plus at the same time all complete material we are going to share for you people, right? Whatever for that batch, whatever classes happen, whatever material, so we are going to provide access for that. So the biggest advantage what you people are going to get. So just before attending this session, first open the video, have a look once, and then come to this class. This class will become a revision for you if you are having any doubts, so that I can able to focus much. Okay, I'm sure, sir, you people are going to become gems after completing these sessions. Don't worry about that. Okay, so just contact our admin people are going to share access for these 70 video sessions and then material, right? Okay, that's all. Any other general doubts? I hope everything got covered. What the duration? What the duration? Next, what about material? What about classes? Like everything. Next, after completing every session, the video, the session recording by default will be shared for you through Google Drive. So don't worry about that. So that even you are missing a session, happily you are allowed to attend, sir, like that. Next, if you are not getting that much clarity, of course, very rare situation, if any difficult topic is there, not getting that much clarity, if you are going to attend second time, third time, you will get much clarity, right? Okay, that's all. Next, where we can practice Python means Kapil. Almost we are going to provide several assignments as a part of this course. Next, several programs we are going to discuss as a part of this course. Happily you can practice all those things in your own style. Okay, That's all, friends. Sir, this is about general information about my sessions. Let me start the demo of Python, sir. After just let me talk about just sir, here what is Python? What is Python? Python is a general purpose high level programming language. Are you getting that? General purpose high level programming language. It is not a specific application area. Everywhere you can use Python. Are you getting? Everywhere you are allowed to use Python for database applications, network applications, next web applications, next data analytics side, data science, like there are several application areas are there. Artificial intelligence, next Internet of Things, IoT applications, like everywhere we are going to use Python. That's why Python is general purpose programming language. General purpose and a high level programming language. So anyone, can you please tell what is the meaning of high level programming language? Ayo, respond, man. What is the meaning of high level programming language? High level programming language. High level programming language means, sir, this is something like it will be available at very huge height. That's why it is considered a high level programming language. No, so understand by humans, just like our English language. Just like if I can give English, can you please read? You should be in a position to read. You should be in a position to understand. Same as your own local language, your own mother tongue. Same way, Python is high level programming language. Sir, if I show some Python code, immediately you can able to tell, yes, you can able to read this, you can able to understand what it is doing. Such type of languages are high level programming languages, right? Okay, just something like C language, something like a C++, something like a Java, even our Python also high level, sir. Sir, sometimes we know if the program is always in terms of zeros and ones only. If the program is always in terms of zeros and ones only, how you can able to understand? Regarding how you can able to understand, it is a low level programming language. Machine understandable form, not a human understandable form. But Python is human understandable form. That's why high level programming language. Sometimes in your childhood at your colleges, you people may aware assembly language. Assembly language, especially what we call electronics students. Especially electronics students. Have you heard about assembly programming language? Like you may wear microprocessors, assembly programming language. Okay, so that assembly programming language is not high level programming language, right? Okay, make sure not that much human understandable things. Human understandable form by default considered a high level programming language. So everyone can able to understand what is Python. If a person is asking, "Arey, can you please tell what is Python?" General purpose high level programming language. Remember that. Next, who developed Python? Who is the father? Father or mother must be required for any programming language. Someone has to develop this Python. Who? Sorry. Who is the father of Python? Python was developed by Guido. Are you getting full word? Guido van Rossum. Are you getting that? Guido van Rossum. Sir, who developed this Python? Okay, this Guido van Rossum. This person developed Python in 1989. Remember this. Don't feel, sir, Python came last year or before last year. In 1989, before Java programming language only came, sir. It is the oldest programming language. In 1989, while working at a National Research Institute at Netherlands. Remember this, at the Netherlands, sir. While working at the National Research Institute in Netherlands in 1989, sir, Python was developed by Guido van Rossum. Remember that, Guido van Rossum, who developed Python is like this. But officially, Python was made available to the public in 1991. Remember this one, in 1991, available for the public, but developed in 1989 only, but available to the public in 1991. That's why official birth for date of Python is February 20th, 1991. Sir. Remember this one, February 20th, 1991. So most of the people know Java. Java came in, March 1995. Remember this one. So Java came after Python only. Python is the old programming language, right? Don't feel, sir, this is something new, like no such type of terminology. Clear for all of you, right? Sir, what is Python? Python is high level general purpose programming language. Who developed Python, sir? Guido van Rossum. In official date of birth for Python is February 20th, 1991. Remember that, sir. Next, sir, Python is recommended. Python is recommended as first programming language. Python is recommended as first programming language for beginners, right? Sir, I want to start my programming. I don't know any programming knowledge. Then happily you can go for sir Python, because Python is the first programming language. For the beginners, it's highly recommended as the first programming language, right? So what is the advantage you people are going to get with the Python? Why it is considered the first programming language? Because very easily you can write Python programs. You are not having any prior programming knowledge. Remember that very easily. When compared with any other known programming languages, Python is the simplest and easiest programming language, right? Sir, can you please explain with a small chota example so that we can get much clarity, right? Sir, very simple. Just observe that the people who are having just other languages background, matter of 1 minute, have a look once. The people who are having other programming languages background, just observe that. Sir, I want to print a hello world. Are you getting? I want to print hello world. This is because in any programming language, hello world, print hello world is the first program, sir. Hello world program to print hello world. This is my target. What I have to do is in Java, sir, sir, we require to go for in Java. How you can able to do that, sir? Sir, very simple. First, I have to write public class, hello world, or otherwise public class. Here, some test I'm taking, sir. Public class test public static void main system.out.println hello world. Sir, anyway template is coming, but actually you require to type, sir. Sir, public class test public static void main system.out.println hello world. Just observe that. Now I'm take a bit very special care. After writing this Java program, listen, the people who are coming from Java background, can you please confirm? After writing this Java program, what we have to do? Can you please confirm? I wrote one program. I want to see the output, sir. What we have to do? Yes, anyone? Can you please confirm? The people who are coming from Java background. Yes, we require to compile. Regarding we require to compile. After compilation, and then we have to run. Regarding first we require to compile. After compilation, then we require to run, sir. Remember this, sir. Sir, how you can able to do that? Let me save this code. Matter of 1 minute. Sir, we don't know Java. Don't worry about that. We don't know Java. Don't worry about that. Just let me save this code. Sir, just let me save the code. I saved this code in D:Durga classes. Now let me open my command prompt. Yes, let me open my command prompt. Java C test.java. First, what we have to do, sir? Compile. First, we have to do compile, and after that, what I have to do? Java test. Then it's going to run hello world. Sir, have you observed? In Java, if you want to write a hello world program, how many activities we require to do, sir? You have to write a class, you have to write main method, and then system.out.println hello world, like this we have to do that. Assume that. But if you go for C language, I hope you people may aware, if you go for C language, right, what we have to do, sir? Have you remembered? Include, sir, this much code we require to take. Have you observed? Sir, as include stdio.h int main and so on is nothing but hello world, like you require to write this much code. Regarding in C language, this code we require to write. I hope you people, the people who know Java, who know C language, you can able to understand that. You can make sure. So it's a very clear that some code we require to write, and then we have to compile, and then we require to execute. but in Python, how many lines of the code is required, sir? In C, these many lines. In Java, these many lines. But in Python, if you want to print hello world, how many lines of the code you require to do? Only one line. Only one line. Have you observed, right? Print of hello world. Are you getting? No class, no main method, no object, and so on. Just the print of hello world. Okay, like sir, let me open Python ID. Let me open this Python. Just I'm trying to type print a hello world. Are you getting? Print a hello world like this, right? Then automatically happily hello world by default is going to come, sir. Remember that happily by default hello world is going to come. We are not required to write big code. We are not required to compile. Just so we can execute directly. Sir, I don't want to use this one. Just like Java program, can you please type? Can you please type? Why not? Why not? Here just observe. Just I'm taking a small empty file. Just what I'm taking, sir? Hello world from Python. Like this I'm taking, sir. Hello world from Python. Save this code. Save this code. Okay, with the name test.py. Are you getting it? So if it is the Java program, how we save it, sir? Anyone can you please tell? If it is the Java program, what is the name I use? Test.java. Are you getting it? If it is the Python code, .py extension. Okay, let me use test.py. Are you getting it? Test.py. Observe a bit very carefully, sir. Sir, here observe the naming style test.py. Now I have to. Can you please tell what I require to do, sir? What I require to do? First, I have to respond. First, I have to. If it is a Java program, what we did? First we compile, and after that we executed. But very important for Python, no compilation. It is the interpreted programming language. Directly execute. What I'm taking, sir? py test.py. Are you getting? py test.py, direct execution, no compilation kind of thing. Happily hello world from Python by default is going to get. But how to install Python? How you can able to do that? Yes, we will discuss in detail. Remember that when compared with any other programming language, Python is a very easy, man. If you consider C language, if you consider Java language, sir, which language is the easiest programming language? Is Python is the easiest programming language. That's why, the beginner, if you want to start your programming, then obviously you should go for which programming language, right? Python only. Remember that. So no compilation. Sir, who is going to take care about there? My Python virtual machine is going to take care. Yes, Pratyush, your doubt. No compilation, then how to rectify the errors in the Python? Nothing. If there is any syntax error, immediately at the beginning, whenever you are using this command py, immediately it's going to tell, oh, so and so mistake you did. Like you can able to see that error, so that we can correct that. Best example, I didn't close this one. Regarding I didn't close, I'm doing some mistake. I didn't close, I'm doing some mistake. Immediately, observe that, sir, syntax error, unexpected. Like I will correct that syntax mistake. Then I can able to run. Have you observed, right? Yes, Pratyush. Yes, okay. So next, how to install Python? All those things I will discuss. First, aware Python is good programming language, easy programming language to learn or not. Okay, like next, suppose here. This is just example one to print hello world. How much easy you people can able to see, sir. Now, suppose I want to go for second example, just observe that. My requirement is, can you please print the sum of two numbers? Sir, I want to print the sum of two numbers. Can you please print, sir? Suppose in Java, what I have to do is, I have to declare two variables, right? Int a is equal to 10. Next, and after that, int b is equal to 20. Remember, observe very carefully, sir. Now I require to print the sum. The sum is Okay, now I require to print the sum is sir A plus B, like this I'm going to print. Correct or not? Get your childhood somewhere in CoreJava classes. This is the style what we have to do. So this is the way how you can able to print the sum of two numbers, right? Now let me open my command prompt. First I require to compile. First I require to compile. Observe, I compile this code and then I require to execute this code. Have you observed the sum is the 30 by default we are going to get? But if you go for Python program, even C also more or less same code we require to write. If you go for Python program, the most advantage, listen very carefully, sir. Very carefully, don't keep any doubt. Sir, first, how many variables are required? Can you please tell how many variables are required? Two variables, because I want to print the sum of two numbers. How many variables are required? Two variables are required. First variable is what types are int type. Second variable is what types are int type. Remember, anyone, the people who are coming from other languages like Java, what is this int? What is this int? Int is the data type. Yes, this A is of int type. And the value of A is nothing but 10. By default, you can able to get right. So same way, this is the int type, and the value of B is nothing but 10. By default, you can able to get. Are you getting right? So now in Python, what we have to do? Observe that. Don't get shocked. So don't feel confusion. It is that much easiness is there. A comma B is equal to 10 comma 20. A comma B is equal to 10 comma 20. We are not required to declare type in Python. We are not required to declare type in Python. So A value is first 10. B value is 20. Remember that. Then automatically, what is the type of A? Type will be considered automatically based on your provided value. Okay. So you can take A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. No problem at all. Acceptable, sir. Okay. Based on your provided value, automatically type by default will be considered. This type of behavior is nothing but dynamically typed programming language. Are you getting that? What is that, sir? Dynamically typed programming language. Okay, we are not required to declare type int, float, boolean, such type of terminology we are not required to use. Okay, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. Next, print the sum. Are you getting? Print the sum. Okay, comma, just print A plus B. That's all. Just print A plus B. But instead of taking two lines, you can combine into single line only. That's all. Now, can you please run this code? What is the command I require to use? They respond because it is not first time. Can you please guide? What is the command I require to use to run this Python code? Yes, py test.py. Are you getting py test.py? The sum is nothing but 30. I hope, sir, you people may feel sorry showing Java output again like, sir, let me take 100 and 200. Then automatically, what is the output by default you are going to get, sir? 300 by default. Everyone can aware? Sir, now just a matter of just the last 5 minutes of discussion. Can you please guide Java, Python, which is a very easy? Yes, ma'am. Java, Python, which is a very easy. Python is the most easiest programming language. Remember that, sir. You can take how much inputs are, do you know? If I can take next time after that, you can take like this. But if you can ask this question in Java, then automatically Java is going to get shocked. Okay? Oh, this much values I can't handle. This much values I can't handle. It is not in the range of int. But in Python, you know, observe that. You can take big thing also. No problem at all. Are you getting right? So the sum is like by default we are going to get. Okay? Getting right? So the Python is the more flexible, more easiest, more powerful programming language when compared with any other, right? Okay? So this is, that's why, so make sure, don't feel we are going to discuss, we are going to learn a bigger language like, a big language like this. So just another small thing I want to tell, sir. Have a look once. Suppose I have some code is there. A is equal to 10, I have. B is equal to 20, I have. Assume that, sir. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, I have. Now X is equal to X value is, sir, if x value is some 30, if a is less than b, if a is less than b, otherwise just 40, sir. Otherwise 40. X value is the 30 if a is less than b, otherwise 40. Anyone can you please guide what is the code I have to write? What is the code I have to write in Java? Are you getting? Compulsory if else or otherwise conditional operator, like you require to write big code, correct or not? You have to write some code we require to write a big code. The people who knows other languages, but now in Python, what I'm going to do, take a bit very special case, 10, 20. A value is the 10, b value is the 20. Now what I'm trying to take here is x is equal to 30. A is less than b. If a is less than b, else if a is less than b, 30, otherwise. Are you getting it? 30, sir, else I'm taking some 30 or otherwise, you can take no problem at all. Otherwise, something like that, you know. So else I'm taking some 40 like this. Now let me print of x. Are you getting it? So if a is less than b, 30, else 40 like this, right? Okay. Sir, have you observed? This is something like just a reading English statement. Are you getting? Just a reading English statement, sir. Else, okay? Like now observe a bit carefully. Need not be else or here. Have you observed, right? Just directly 30 by 40 you are going to get the answer. So that much easy. You never going to feel that I'm learning some programming language. Just simple, man. Reading English language, how much easy? That much easy learning Python program or reading Python program, man. You can able to understand. 30 if a is less than b, else 40. That's all. If you can ask this question in Java, bigger programming instruction we require to write. Okay, make sure not only just these two sample cases, right? Okay, everywhere you are going to see easiness. Everywhere you are going to see some more flexibility while writing Python programs when compared with other programming languages. I'm sure, sir, because I'm not I'm not telling, sir, just blindly being a Python instructor. Because before Python, I know Java. I know C language. I know C++. So when compared with all programming languages, Python is the easiest programming language to learn, man. I'm sure. Okay. So that's all. I hope everyone can able to understand. Are you in a position to understand, right? Yes, sir, it is simple, very simple, sir. What there inside, it's a very easiest programming language, I'm sure, sir. Just like you are going to feel that, just like I'm reading English statement, but not reading, but not so something you are going to write. You are reading a Python program like, sir, just observe a, B, C, D, E is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Can you please write this line? Can you please write this line in any other language directly? In any other language directly, either Java language or C language or C++, can you please write this line anywhere directly? No such type of terminology. No such type of terminology. In Python, we are having such type of flexibility, man. So not only everywhere you are saying, okay, like in other languages, if 100 lines of the code is required, assume that in other languages, if 100 lines of the code is required, but in Python, only 10 to 20 lines only the sigma is going to be completed. Only 10 to 20 lines of the code, the sigma is going to be completed. When compared with other languages, we require to write, we require to write very less code, very concise code we require to write, sir. Very concise code we require to write. We are not required to write big programming programs for any activity. Small code by default is enough. Sir, I want to communicate with the database. In Java, to write JDBC program, minimum 10 to 15 lines of the code is required. Just in Python, with 3 to 4 lines of the code, I can communicate with the database and I can bring and I will display that data also. That much easy programming language is the Python. That's why the people, sir, I'm not strong in programming. Sir, I don't know programming knowledge. Sir, just can I learn Python or not? Yes, happily you can able to learn. Don't keep any doubt at all. Clear? Yes? Up to this, any doubt? No response. Up to this, any doubt? Are you in a position to understand, right? Okay, that's all. What is the next thing we require to discuss? What is the next things what we require to talk, sir? Very simple. Sir, now can you please tell why the name Python? Anyone can you please tell? Sir, why? Sir, the word Python. This is the Python programming language. Why the word Python? Python word came. Some party, I guess. Karan, I don't think. Kapil, don't tell Python is a snake. I know. Oh, from the snake, Python came. The word Python came. Good, Sandeep. Good. Okay. Sir, do you know in Hindi, there is one fun show in the TV. Fun show is there. Have you ever heard Coffee with Karan? Have you Coffee with Karan, or otherwise some program is there? What is the program name, Karan? What is the program name? Every day it's going to come full in Telugu. In Telugu we have one program is there, sir. Extra Jabardast like. Okay. Even in Hindi also, Coffee with Karan, like a full comedy show, right? Full comedy show. It's full of fun, like you people may aware, right? Yes. So just observe that. Yes, full comedy with Kapil, comedy with Kapil. Like there are several full comedy shows by default there. Like that. In the BBC channel, there was one program is there. The complete, okay. The complete what is the program name? The complete Monty Python's Circus. Are you getting the complete Monty Python's circus? Like there is one circus, like there is one TV show, fun show, sir. So the inventor of the Python, are you getting the inventor of the Python? I mean Guido. Okay, he's the big follower of this show. Okay, at that time, this was sir. It's a very popular. It was very popular at that time, sir. This was happened 1969 to 1974. It is a very fun. Everyone very much interested. Why don't you keep the same name for my programming language? Like that person, that Guido felt. That's why the word Python bring into the picture. This was one fun show. The name Python, sir, selected from the fun show, TV show, sir, like which was broadcasted in the BBC, sir, 1969 to 1974. Okay, so based on that, the word Python came in the picture. Most of the people are going to feel Python is nothing but snake, a big snake. That's why a big programming language. That's why Python came in the picture. No, it is from this TV show which was broadcasted in the BBC channel. BBC, sir, this name was selected. Okay, like now just observe. Up to this, it's very clear for you people, right? Okay, why the name Python? Just basic idea purpose, interesting purpose only, right? Next, the second one, I have one doubt, sir. Can you please tell, is the Python is the scripting language? Please respond. Python is the scripting language. Ayo, you may heard somewhere. The people who don't know, don't worry, just be silent, or otherwise don't know, like you can respond. Python is the scripting language. Is the Python is the object-oriented programming language? Anyone can you please confirm? Python, object-oriented programming language. Is the Python, yes, functional programming language like C language? Functional. Python is the functional programming language like C language. Yes. Python is the modular programming language like Modular 3. Ayo. We don't know modular programming language like. Sir, make sure, sir, while developing Python, Guido consider all programming features, right? Guido consider several features, programming features from other languages, right? Okay, remember that. First one, functional programming features. He copied or he adapted from C language. Functional programming features from C language, sir, you bring into Python. Next, object-oriented features, object-oriented programming features from C++. From C++, okay? From C++. Next, the scripting language features, scripting language features from Perl and the shell script. Perl and the shell script. Okay, scripting language features from Perl and the shell script. Shell script. Next, modular programming language. Modular programming features from modular 3. Modular programming features from modular 3. Remember that modular 3, sir. Modular 3. Like, do you know in Python all these features are available, sir. All these features are available. That's why, sir, Python is everything, sir. Okay, some people are going to use it is a scripting language, some people are going to use it is object oriented, some people are going to use it is a functional, some people may feel it the modular programming. Sir, Python is all-rounder. You can use any word because every word is applicable for the Python. Remember that, sir. Without a class, without object, I can able to write a program. Yes, have you observed, right? Best example, I'm not using any class, I'm not using any object. But without the class, you can't write single program in Java. Are you getting? Class must be required. But here, without class, you can able to write the program. Even with the class also, you can able to write the program. Yes, everything is available. That's why, sir, it is the object oriented. It is a functional programming. Next and after that, it is, do you know, sir, modular programming scripting language. I can use the word, it is the scripting. It is the scripting, sir. No functions. Next and after that, no classes and so on. It is the scripting. Sir, instead of that, if I can use function, the def function, just I'm taking print off, hello, learning. Python is very easy, very easy. Like this I'm taking, sir. One function is very easy. Like this I'm taking, sir. One function I'm taking. Now you can call that function 10 times for I in range of 10. For I in range of 10. Don't worry, sir. I will explain all these code in detail. Just observe. No, without classes, just only functions, you can able to call. Sir, I'm calling this function 10 times because I'm taking inside the loop for that loop is going to execute 10 times, right? Now observe what is the output by default we are going to get, sir. Have you observed, right? Hello, learning Python is very easy. Observe 10 times it's going to come in the picture. So it is Python is a functional programming, sir. We are not required to have any classes. We are not required to have any classes, any objects and so on. Directly write a function, call that function. Such a type of thing is also possible. Sir, I don't want, sir. I want something like a classes, object oriented. I want in the Python. Why not, man? Why not? Just you can take class employee. Are you getting right? Sir, I'm defining my class employee. Just there init underscore like this. Self. Sir, every employee having employee number, employee name, employee salary, employee address. Okay, self dot enum is equal to just enum I'm taking, self dot ename is equal to ename I'm taking. Just observe, just it's a very simple, sir. Just like, do you know in Python this is called a class. We can declare class like this. Next up, this is called constructor. The people who are coming from other programming languages, ename, sir. Next and after that, shall just observe. Next and after that, address is address. Okay, like this we are going to take. Okay, just I created one constructor, sir. Let me take one method also. Info method I'm taking. Just self. What I'm trying to take, sir? Self dot ename. Just I'm trying to display self dot enum. I want to display. Next self dot ename. Next and after that, self dot. Okay, self dot shall. Next, I'm trying to print self dot address. Just observe a bit carefully, sir. That's all. So observe a bit carefully here. Have you observed? Sir, I'm writing a class, I'm writing something, constructor, I'm writing another method also. Now, let me create object. Let me create object. E is equal to employee. Okay? Sir, employee number 100 I'm taking. Employee name, Sunny I'm taking. Assume that Sunny I'm taking. Employee salary, 1000 I'm taking. Employee address, Hyderabad I'm taking. Observe that. So I'm creating an object, just call that info method. Call that info method. That's all. Sir, have you observed? Don't worry. I will discuss all these things in detail just for basic idea, sir. We can, everything you can able to do with class, methods, objects also. Even that facility is also available in the Python. Have you observed? Have you observed? Happily it is going to come because I'm calling info method. Yes, info method is going to print the information like that. Ayyo. Are you able to understand? Yes. Can you please tell Python is the object-oriented programming language or not? Yes. You can able to do, create an object, call the method. Are you getting? Define a class like that. Python is object-oriented programming language. Python is a functional programming language. Python is a scripting programming language. Python is modular programming language. Python is everything, man. Remember that, okay? Python is everything. All features by default there inside Python. It is all-rounder kind of thing. Okay, so now clarity is very clear, I hope. Yes, any doubt up to this? Don't ask, sir, how to write, what is the meaning of all these things. We are going to discuss in the 2 months. So that is our objective. Understanding all these things is our objective. Don't worry. We are at just, this is also possible. Only with class like this, we can able to do that. Different styles are there to write Python program, and remember that, okay? So next, where we can use Python? Yes, sir, where we can use Python? Python, like you people may ask. Sir, example of scripting. Scripting means don't feel, Sandeep, scripting means don't feel something like, bigger thing. Nothing. Just here, I don't want to use any functions. I don't want to use any functions. I don't want to use any functions. Next and after that, any class and object. Just I'm taking a comma b is equal to 10 comma 20. A group of code I'm taking just one line. Next and after that some activity I'm doing, sir. Have you observed some activity I'm doing? So no function is not there. Next and after that objects are not there, classes are not there, just a sequence of lines. Is it possible to execute or not? This is nothing but scripting, man. Regarding itself is nothing but what? Scripting without classes, without function, just a sequence of lines I want to execute one by one. Are you able to understand, Sandeep? Don't feel that scripting is nothing but something different style is going to come in the picture. Nothing. So without functions, you can write a Python program. Without classes and objects, you can write a Python program. With the functions, you can write a program. With the class, object and methods, we can write a Python program. That's why Python is all-rounder. Okay, the power of Python. Why? Because of this much flexibility one day. Can you please tell? Is it possible in Java? Array, is it possible in Java? Can I execute this code in Java directly as it is? Is it possible? No way. In Java, if you want to do anything, first class must be required. Regarding first class must be required, but here no such type of terminology. That's why the people who are coming from other languages make sure, sir, all features from other programming languages by default they are in Python. Python is the scripting language. Python is the object-oriented programming language. Python is everything, sir, functional, modular, like any programming. All features by default available with the Python. Remember that. Next and after that, where we can use Python. Regarding what are various application areas are there where we can use Python. Where we can use Python. Next and after that, what features are there for the Python? Features of Python. Because some people may ask, is it platform independent or not? Is it sub-platform independent or not? Is it object-oriented or not? Like, is it secured or not? Like, there are multiple doubts by default will be there. So, that point I will discuss. Next, what are various flavors of Python? Flavors of Python. What flavors are there related to the Python? Sometimes we may use the word C Python. Sometimes we may use the word Anaconda Python, PyPy, Iron Python, JTON. Like what it means. All these things I will discuss in the next session. Up to this is the clear for all of you, right? Yes. Everyone in a position to understand? So just I covered very simple, only 2 or 3 words. Very simple, 2 or 3 words. Ray, what is Python? What is Python? Python is general purpose high level programming language. High level programming language, general purpose high level programming language like C language or C++, Java. Okay. Next, who introduced Python? Guido van Rossum introduced Python in 1989, but officially came into the market, sir, on February 20th, 1991. This is the official date of birth for Python. Next, first programming language for the beginners, Python is highly recommended. Sir, because to print a hello world, in C language, how much code I require to write? In Java, how much code I require to write? In Python, how many lines of the code is required? Only 1 line is more enough. Are you getting right? Next, do you know the way of writing Python is a very easy, sir. The way of writing Python code is very easy. Sir, with the less code, we can able to do big activities in the Python. Okay, remember. Next, why the Python word? Why the Python word? This is selected from, sir, one fun comedy show, The Complete Monty Python's Circus, which was broadcasted in the BBC in 1969 to 1974. Next, Python, is it a scripting language, or is it object oriented, or is it functional, or is it modular? Like several times you may have the doubt. Python is everything. Python is everything, right? Without the classes, you can write. Without functions, you can write. With the classes, you can write. Only with functions, you can write. That's why Python is the scripting language. Python is the functional programming language. Python is object oriented. Python is everything. Remember. Clear? Yes. Scope and applications of Python we will discuss. That is our next step. Where we can use Python. What are various features of Python? Next, flavors of Python. These things I will discuss in the next session. Up to this, any doubt?